So let's see how to replace the cabin filter from this Mercedes W204. And on the passenger side, we gotta look under the glove box. Let's move this seat all the way back. And on this cover, we're gonna find a couple of T20s. And one more here. And this cover will come out. So now on this side here, we're gonna find the filter cover. And usually you're gonna find one clip here. It's like a metal clip, but not on this one. On this one you can just take this filter out. Okay, so now to install the new filter, we've got an arrow here, and that arrow needs to point towards the front of the car. So the filter will go this way, with that larger indentation towards the front of the car. Okay guys, so that's how you replace the pollen filter on this car. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, take care, and I will see you in the next video.